Hey folks, welcome back to our exploration of ethical theories. And today we are diving into the intriguing realm of virtue ethics. So grab a seat and let's unravel the wisdom rooted in this philosophy of virtues. Virtue ethics, unlike its counterparts, zooms in on the character of an individual. Picture this: Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, the OG philosophers, laying the groundwork for this approach in ancient Greece. The big question here is, how can we shape our character to become not just good people, but virtuous individuals? A virtue isn't merely a character trait, it's ingrained in the very mindset of a person. It's about the considerations we take into account when making decisions, unlike relying on strict rules or ethical guidelines. For example, a courageous person isn't just someone who talks about courage, they actively consider courage in their decision making, finding the sweet spot between recklessness and cowardice, a concept known as the doctrine of the mean. Now let's talk practical wisdom. It's that dose of life experience that helps a virtuous person navigate decisions with finesse. But why bother with all of this virtuous thinking? Aristotle's got the answer. Eudaimonia, often described as living well, human flourishing, or the highest end of human life. But here's the cool part. According to Alistair MacIntyre, a contemporary virtue ethist, virtuous behavior isn't just about us. It benefits the society as a whole. Imagine virtues as key to a flourishing society. McIntyre breaks it down into external goods like power or money and internal goods that are unique to a particular practice. Now, every practice has its telos, its overriding end. Take corporate communication, for instance. Engaging in effective external communication not only enhances your organization's reputation, but contributes to the community of practitioners who can learn and grow. Virtue in this context becomes the driving force for achieving internal goods, a shared benefit for all. So, as you journey through your professional practice, think of virtues as your companions, guiding you towards internal goods, delivering stellar outcomes, and ultimately serving the greater good. Stay tuned for more ethical insights, and until next time, keep embracing those virtues in your journey. Cheers.